Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 7th, 2024. Yesterday we got some rain, and so everything down here where the conversion of going from a canal, or initially a vernal pool, to a canal, to what the beaver turned into sort of a beaver pond, very, very shallow, made their channels and all. And this last week, we've been working down here trying to clear out a lot of the dead, all the little stumps that the beaver left, so that we can get a good idea of how what trees are still viable in here, what bushes, what small plants, all of those things. We want to make sure that we have as much good stuff as possible in here. Then we'll plan and sculpt out our pond system that's going to go around here and conserve the soil for all of the trees, and then we'll be replanting more trees in here as well. But yesterday we had a downpour when I was working over on the other side. Yesterday's video shows the most recent video on the pond shows what I accomplished, digging out an area and making a channel down to the dugout area that would drain the spring-fed well, which is overflowing, and going in there. And hopefully, now if we don't get any more rain, this will start to dry up some, and I could start to move some of the material. Also in that video, I talked about how I need to bring some stone down to fill in some of the low spots where I had to get access over where the logs are, that I took down some trees, and the sand pile that I deposited there. So I've got to do that. We had some wood chips delivered today. So I've got to pile those up, which means I'll take the rock and root grapple off of the Hulk, which is a Tikushi TL12 V2 track loader. I'll take that off. But what I decided to do today, since there's no winds, and it's going to be another hot one, and it's so wet down here, I brought the drone up, and I just did some aerial views of this area here where the pond site is, and you can see in relation to the other areas as well. It's not great video, but that's what's going to show, some drone shots of this area. So that's basically it for this video. Just wanted to share that we've got a drone video of this site here where it's at this point in time. There's other videos, drone videos, Skydio 2 videos of this area over the last few years at different stages. I'm not sure where they are on YouTube, but there are some. But I wanted to get since the winds are calm today, I wanted to get the drone up and show you what we've got over here. So that's it for today's video. There'll be some drone footage, and feel free to leave comments and questions, and we'll do our best to answer them. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.
Coffee's ready if you'll have some. And breakfast should be finished soon. The paper called for sun tomorrow. It looks like rain the whole day. Closets overflowing with all those shoes too big to fill. So what's that song you used to sing me? you mean it. And I don't mean it like I say. Morning left us both defeated, and it's just been one of those days. So I'll have dinner on the table, and you can help me pour the wine. Paper called for sun tomorrow. If we make it through tonight. I was born and then orphaned by parents of sin, and the preachers and pastors were listening in. I was baptized with water the day it happened. Now I'm leaving my chains all behind. So they called up the neighbors to tell them the news. A young baby child that the world can abuse. I cried and I cried when they called it a ruse. Now I'm leaving my chains all behind. I had realized the night before the day I turned 7 that even if acting nice could get you to heaven, the earth that you live in will treat you like hell. So I'm leaving my chains all behind. Now I remember sadly the youth of my day. The minute they found out young Jacob was gay, they stoned him with words and they stuck him with trees.
chains all behind. Then you brought me a woman right into my life, and we found out that love is full of heartache and strife. The jagged edges wear down the more that they grow. So now I'm leaving my chains all behind. It's okay, baby, to change what you think. Change can be good, no, it don't